Hi everybody, so it's the first wild camp, solo camp on my own, flying solo. Sadly my partner's tore some ligaments in her foot, so she can't weight bear on her right foot just now. So I'm just going to take you on a wee solo camp. We're up in the Glens, so I've just parked Glen Clover car park just at the hotel. Beautiful steam. So we're just going to head up towards Loch Brandy and then I'll be swooping round by Loch Wharral. And I'll hopefully clip a Corbett Ben Tirran. We don't actually do Corbetts. We started doing Monroes during lockdown, so we've clipped 11 of them so far. The last one being Ben Chauncey. So I'm not wanting to eat into a joint venture in Monroes, so I'm just doing a wee solo venture just to get a nice wild camping spot either around Loch Brandy or Loch Wharral tonight. I'll probably try and hit Ben Tirran just now. It's about 1:15. So hopefully I'll give you some guided tour on my venture just now and hopefully you enjoy it. I'll be cutting in and out. My partner's kind of the one that does the vlog, so just bear with me and hopefully it's a good day adventure and we'll see how we get on. I'll speak to you all soon. So you just head through Glen Clover Hotel car park and then you'll come up this path here, just walk right through the car park. It's pretty well signposted, to be honest. Signposted for Loch Brandy, and then we'll just take this path off to the right hand side. Beautiful scenery. The weather's a bit sceptical today, but waterproof's on, smiles, and we're all good. All I will say is when you leave the Glen Clover car park, it's very hilly. There's not any long, smooth, easy start. It's just kind of you're at the bottom of the hill and you're climbing from the word go. So just take that in mind if anybody's thinking about doing it, who's maybe thinking it's like some of the other ones, it's quite an easy incline. I'd say this one's kind of steep from the get-go. Absolutely beautiful scenery. I'm just about to keep climbing. There's quite a lot of people on the hill today by the looks of it. I've purposely came this afternoon, so it's about 1:30. So everybody's kind of done what they need to do and they're kind of coming back off the hill. I'm planning on wild camping, so not to leave later in the afternoon, so kind of the morning goers are kind of leaving now. Lockdown's not been easy on anybody, but if you are thinking about getting into wild camping and you are maybe watching this video, I would say get into it. I'll go over some of my kit and that when I set up camp tonight, and we'll show you the bits that I use and the bits that I'm looking to get. That's the sun trying to break through a wee bit now. I'm just about to start thinking about setting up camp. It's probably quite getting close to 5 o'clock now. Like that, the phone's been playing up a lot of way. But apart from that, everything's been okay. It's absolutely beautiful. Hi everybody, so that's about 9 o'clock tonight. I've had a wee bit of trouble with my phone today, it's not been charging very well, but I've managed to get it started charging on wireless, so I've put a wee bit of battery into it now. Fed and watered, had chicken and white wine sauce with smash and tarragon, so it was really tasty. Just to give people an idea for like instead of getting rehydrated meals, you can make it, it's pretty easy. So it's just maybe an idea for people. I'm all set up. I'm camping right on the bottom edge of Loch Wharral. It's pretty windy tonight. The MSR Hubba Hubba tent is absolutely smashing it, to be honest. It is really windy. and the tent's holding up magnificent. It's only the second time we've used it, but it's working really well. Tonight I'm on the Thermarest X Firm Max Large. I'm 6'5", so I kind of need to get some length, and I'm very, very impressed. It's very chilly. Like when I record this just now, hanging out my sleeping bag, it's cold, but I can't feel it when I'm on top of this mat and in my sleeping bag. I'm using the Trekology pillow, and I've got the Alpkit Sky High 700. Morning everyone, it's 7:15. Slept quite well, apart from goats on the verge going around the loch, but kind of got used to it. So that's the jet boil on now for breakfast. I'm just having a wee cup of tea, some powdered milk and some homemade porridge oats, raisins and other knickknacks that my partner's kindly put in for me. It's raining, but still a beautiful view. I've got the loch behind me, but it's pretty windy from that direction, so I'm sitting having breakfast here. That's me all packed up, ready to go. As always, and everybody says, leave no trace. It's just a case of a wee plastic bag, and then recycle what you can when you get home. So that's just kind of my setup. I'm just ready to go. I've got my jacket and that looked out. As I've said before, I've got my partner's Kyte 46. I'm waiting on my backpack coming this week. Jet boil, the reason I use it, yeah, you could categorically get lighter stuff, but this is boiled in about 2 minutes, and then I've got porridge and tea. Me personally, I don't want to faff about oil burners and all that stuff. Yeah, you could probably shed maybe another 400 grams off this, but I think it's worth its weight in gold. It's a luxury item for me. So that's the first solo camp complete. It was a really good night. Brilliant views of Loch Brandy and Loch Wharral. If anybody's looking to do a day hike or a wild camp overnight, I would highly recommend it. Beautiful views, beautiful scenery, and it was really enjoyed. Hopefully you're all looking after yourselves during lockdown. Take care and stay safe. We've been Take a Hike, and if you've enjoyed watching a solo camp and enjoy watching things about wild camping and Monroe climbing, give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching.